Today we're going to be looking at solving inequalities, and let's have that focus real quick. I can solve a one-step inequality, and I can explain my answers to a partner using vocabulary. So we're going to take a look at the very first thing is what we worked on last unit, which is adding or addition equations. So if I have an equation of x plus 4 equals 9, I'm going to use the inverse operation of addition, which is subtraction. And I'm going to subtract 4 from each side, and my solution is x is going to equal 5. I then use substitution to check my work. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 9 equals 9. I am balanced. Down here with an addition inequality, I have x plus 4 is less than or equal to 9. I'm going to go through, use the exact same inverse operation. I'm going to subtract 4 from each side. I'm going to get x is less than or equal to 5. And now I'm going to put it back in just like I normally would for a check. 5 plus 4 is less than or equal to 9. And 5 plus 4 is 9, and that 9 is equal to 9. So that means that my statement is true. Up here, it's balanced. All right? I want you to take a look at what is similar about solving these two different types of operations, your addition equation and addition inequality. What is the same about solving these two different things? Then you're going to take a look at what is different about these two different things. All right? We're going to discuss this at the beginning of class, but some examples that you might have would be that you use your inverse operations. You can also have a solution for the variable. They both have variables and constants, operation signs, and things like that. The big thing that's the difference is you're going to have an equal sign in equations, an inequality sign in inequalities. And what that means is our equal sign is one solution. Whereas in our inequalities is an infinite number of solutions. Okay, this is a good time to bring up what our definition of infinite is. Okay, with this you see things like infinity scarves or the symbol of infinity, which is a figure 8 sideways, which is just, it's going to continue in an infinite loop over and over and over again. So infinite would be never ending. Like when we draw a line segment, whenever we put the arrow on, that means it goes on forever. It keeps on going, keeps on going. Okay? What it's not is a single answer. And in this case, single answer or solution. Right now, what I want you to do is go through and solve and graph the inequality 2x is greater than 10. All right? We have 2x, which is a multiplication equation. We're going to divide by 2. We're we're going to get x is greater than 5. So on here, I'm going to check my answer first. 2 times 5 using substitution. Is greater than 10. And 10 is greater than 10. Okay? So in order for our solution to be true, x has to be greater than 5. So if I put 5 here in the middle, and I have 4, 3, 2, 6, 7, 8, I have my open circle. That means it does not include 5. So to make this inequality true, my number must be larger than 5. Okay, most people will put the arrow on the number line. I put it above so it's easier to see. All right, we will be working on this a little bit more. If you have questions, please make sure that you remember them or write them down.